Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. It's been wet and gray across West Michigan this weekend. It looks like we will have some breaks in the clouds on Monday to look forward to, and temperatures will stay on the mild side, likely to rise into the lower and middle 40s tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at how much rain has fallen today. You can see that most locations received between about a ½ inch and an inch, with 88/100ths of an inch in Battle Creek, 86/100ths in Kalamazoo, 81/100ths of an inch in Grand Rapids, 8/10ths of an inch in Howland, and stacking up close to a ½ inch in Muskegon, 48/100ths of an inch at last check. Here's a look at Storm Track Live right now. You can see that this is in relation to an area of low pressure, which is spinning to our east near Flint and Detroit. We're on the back side of that. That's continuing to pour in some cooler air and keeping those showers persistent. It looks like as we get past midnight tonight, we'll start to see this system shift away further to the northeast, and the rain will also get shut off. Here's a look at Storm Track Live on the closer view. You can see some of the heavier amounts of rain falling across the area, indicated by the yellows and reds on your screen. This could also be an example of bright banding. That's when you have some snow that's aloft, that's melting and creating some of those stronger returns on the radar. So it does look like there is a chance of picking up a few snowflakes, nothing that'll be stacking up on the ground. But as you move north of I-96, temperatures are going to fall close to the freezing point tonight. And with that in mind, again, don't be surprised if you see a snowflake or two blend in with the rain. The rain should be dissipating as we move into Monday morning. It's likely that we'll have dry conditions by sunrise. Some sunshine, which looks to be mild tomorrow. We'll chill things off, though, in a big way as we get into 2025. There's the scene in Grand Rapids right now, where the rain is continuing to come down, with our temperature measured at 38 degrees. Temperatures are in the upper 30s and lower 40s now. 40 degrees in Battle Creek, 42 toward Benton Harbor. Have a temperature of 38 in Fremont, 39 degrees in Ludington. Starting to shave down our temperatures. That'll be a trend as we go through this week, gradually cooling things off. It is currently 6 degrees cooler than it is 24 hours ago in Grand Rapids. And the wind is from the northwest. We have that sustained between about 10 and 20 miles per hour, so you definitely notice it as you step outside. Here's a look at our forecast through tonight. Again, it looks like that chance of rain should be diminishing as we travel into tomorrow morning, with very steady temperatures in the middle to upper 30s. New Year's Eve, a high temperature of 38 with a rain-snow mix. Light accumulations expected out of that. We'll have a carryover of some lake effect snow chances into New Year's Day with a high temperature of 34, very close to our average. As we continue on to Futurecast here, you can see that the sunshine will break through tomorrow afternoon, and it looks like we will have the cloud cover make a comeback pretty quick as we head into Tuesday. Again, you can see that mixed bag of some precipitation, rain and snow. It looks to fully change over to snow on Wednesday as we have those cooler temperatures continue to bite in. Here's a look at the 8-day forecast now. Temperatures sinking down into the 20s by the time that we reach Thursday. Looks like we'll have highs in the mid-20s. Snow chances becoming likely into next weekend. Much colder weather is favored as we move through the start of January.